Okay, last one for today, and then I'll have some questions on a form for you. We're going to handle the second keyword here with data sanitization. Sanitization means to clean, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So we can validate the data, in other words, make sure it's correct, by cleaning it. So if somebody types in an incorrect character, we can remove that character and either reject or accept their input based on it. An example would be sort of an email address that contains an @ symbol. We might look for the @ symbol in the what they put in, and if they don't include an @ symbol, then say, no, I'm sorry, that's rejected. We're going to trim or strip off, and I'm going to show you an example of a string by getting rid of any unwanted characters for it. So I'm going to program that in Python for you, and hopefully you'll get an understanding of what sanitization is. It's just cleaning up the input. So where am I? Let's get rid of this. Let's get back to Python. Oh no, accidentally squish that down. Try again. I need to know whether I'm in Windows or not. Right, we're back to Python. So what I'm going to do is, well, let's stick with name. Please enter your name, and I'm going to sanitize it here. So how to sanitize it? I'm going to set up a new variable x equals the name dot strip out, and if anybody puts in any $signs at the start or the end of their name, hopefully trying to break something, then I'm going to get rid of that. First of all, we need to know that the name that they've entered, so let's just do print name, and finally, after we've sanitized it, we are going to print x. So they're going to enter a name, and if you put any $signs in it, it's going to strip it out. And these two print statements are just going to let us see that. So let's save that. Let's have a look at sanitization work. So please enter your name, Bob, with a $sign at the start and a $sign at the end. So there you go, it's printed the original Bob, and then we've sanitized it by getting rid of the $signs. So if they typed in some strange characters trying to break our program, it's going to sort of get rid of them. I don't know if it works in the middle. Let's try that. Bob. No, it doesn't work in the middle. So it only takes it out at the start and at the end. There's another method for getting rid of things in the middle of a string. But that's sanitizing. It's getting rid of things or looking for items that don't belong in the string. So if somebody's trying to break your work by typing some HTML code, it should be able to pick up this item and get rid of it, and that item and get rid of it, sanitizing it, leaving us with just Bob. So that's what sanitize means, and I'm going to leave it there for today. I think that's enough. I'm certainly had enough. I'm just about on my knees. Let's do some questions.